Are you thinking about replacing your door lock? In this episode of Field Guide to DIY, I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to replace your door lock with this Kwikset Touchpad. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. Let's dive in.
Step 1. Assemble your pieces parts.
Got the door lock mechanism, deadbolt, mounting hardware, strike plate, 2 handles, programming key, door key, and mounting hardware.
Step 2. Remove the old hardware. Step 3. Install your new deadbolt. Be sure to have the angle facing the strike plate. Step 4. Insert the keypad side of the lock. Be sure to have the wire over the deadbolt. Now attach the lock to the mounting hardware. Kwikset recommends not using a drill so as not to damage the lock. Step 6. Insert the half-moon shaped lock shaft into the lock. Step 7. Remove the cover and install the batteries. The lock requires 4 AA batteries, which are not provided. Step 8. Connect the wiring to the lock mechanism. Step 9. Mount the locking mechanism. Step 10. Attach the door handles or knobs. Step 11. Install the batteries. Notice the door side of the battery pack is indicated. Step 12. Program your entry codes. We'll have a special video just for programming your entry codes. Step 13. Replace the cover.
So there you have it. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. Thanks for watching.